the timer for 30 seconds and push the start button and watch it. Take it out. Put the chocolate on it now. Now you have the marshmallow. And now do it like this. You have the s'more without the bonfire. Just guarding me.